Today we will see in the class regarding the performance appraisal applicable to nursing administration. An important function of the managerial staffing is performance appraisal, staff evaluation. It was first used during the First World War. History roots in the 20th century. It is a process of determining how the nurse employees are performing, degrees of performance standards. Definitions. Conventional performance appraisal is a systematic standardized evaluation of an employee by the supervisor aimed at judging the perceived value of the employee's work, contribution, quality of work and potential for advancement. This is another definition. A periodic informal evaluation of how well personnel have performed their duties during a specific period. It is a systematic interpersonal continuous process between manager and employee involving job guidelines and objectives and job descriptions. Objectives of performance appraisal: to determine job competence, to select qualified individuals for promotion or transfer, to establish and improve communication between supervisors and subordinates, staff performance, to determine training and developmental needs of staff, salary standards, and to award merit. To discover aspirations and talents of staff, to check the efficacy of staff development programs, to identify unsatisfactory staff for demotion or termination, to aid in the manager in coaching and counseling, to provide feedback to enhance staff development and motivate personnel towards heights of achievement, to identify and remove distractors, dissatisfies and obstacles, as well as ineffective behaviors, to identify areas of growth for employees and organizations, to serve as a check on hiring and recruiting practices, to provide staff with recognition for achievement. Main purposes of personnel evaluation: individual rewards, base and incentive, feedback for subordinate, plus and minus, recognition of superior performance, documentation of weak performance, personal decision making, future goal commitments, planned achievements. Reasons for importance of performance appraisal: compensation, pay for performance, job performance improvements, feedback to subordinates, documentation for decisions, goal setting, later evaluation, promotion decisions, identified training needs, human resource planning. Principles of performance appraisal. General principles: objectives and results for appraisal should be identified, known to all parties. The appraisal process and tools are developed with input from all levels of employees affected by job responsibilities. The supervisor has received education and training in the use of appraisal process and tool. The appraisal process is valued by organization. The appraisal process occurs consistently. Principles of performance appraisal. Nursing: assess performance in relation to behaviorally stated work goals. Observe a representative sample of employees' total work activities. Compare co-supervisors' evaluation with employees' self-evaluation. Cite specific examples for satisfactory and unsatisfactory performance. Indicate which job areas have highest priority for improvements. Purpose of evaluation is to improve work performance and job satisfaction. Evaluation interview should be scheduled in proper time and environment. Who performs the appraisal? Immediate supervisor, higher management, self-appraisals, peers, co-workers, evaluation teams, customers, 360 appraisals. The 360 appraisal interview by supervisor, other supervisors, customers, individual staff assessment, teams, subordinates, teams, peers, and other supervisors. Characteristics of a good personal performance appraisal: based on philosophy, purpose, and objectives of the organization. Job description are written in such a manner that standards of job performance can be identified for each job. The appraisal tool used is suited to the purposes for which it will be utilized and is accompanied by clear instructions for its use. Evaluators are trained in the use of tool. Plans for policing the appraisal, which has the full support of top management. Performance appraisal is considered to be fair and productive by all who participate in it. A good person performance appraisal is supported by the administrative setup related to job description, stated the criteria of evaluation clearly, applies procedures of appraisal consistently, performed by the person who trained experienced with.